Today we are discussing the track and trolley. What is meant by track and trolley? The name itself suggests the equipment has the track and a platform on which the camera in movement. Track is meant by the railway track model track. Has track and a platform on which camera movement. It requires great amount of practice to work on the track and trolley. The equipment has a track and a platform on which the camera is moving. Camera movement in a platform and track, and trolley is the platform. Track and trolleys are used to the truck shots like dollies. Like dolly types. Dolly what is meant by dolly? Dolly come in various sizes. On persons strive to pull the dolly which another operator of the camera. One person pulling and another person sitting the dolly, and he is operating the camera, switch on, switch off, and any movement following the camera. That is dolly. Same size to the enlarged railway track type track upon the platform, and cameraman and the driving as a moving on the operating camera while another person the camera operating. One person pull the dolly and another person move the operating the camera. They are excellent for the moving that involve in the going forward and backward. Talent students concerned to the homemade dollies from wheelchair, grocery, carts, and some cycle also using to the dolly shots. Rickshaws, wheelchair, sit on the wheelchair and pick up the camera, and moving shot is capture the camera. One person driver pull the dolly while another person operating the camera. That is the dolly. Track and trolley is the a track and a platform on which the camera is movement. Track and the camera which are the movement. Track and trolley are used for truck shots like dollies. The track and trolley are used to truck shot like dolly. It is only capturing a moving shots or a truck in truck outs. The another movement of the camera is a steady cam. Camera mode is steady cam. Camera supported system called camera mount. Camera mounts. Camera supporting system called the camera mount. Yet another important camera supporting the system that has begin to the find us age in video production, it's a Steadicam. The supporting is the literally tied to the camera person and had shock absorber that steady that shot even when the camera person runs. The use of Steadicam is most notable in thrills where is a protagonist or a hero. It running among bushes. The camera follow the footsteps, aimed all the bushes, but seem to the steady. Important camera supporting systems that has long of defined as edge to video production is the Steadicam. Steadicam. The supporting is the literally tied to the camera person and his shock absorber. A camera person tied to the camera shake absorber that steady the shot even when camera person runs. Use of Steadicam is most notable in thrills where the protagonist or hero is running among bushes. The camera follows the footsteps aimed all the bushes but seem to steady. Steadicam shots in a double movements and a different type of movement in the film. That's a point of view movement. The camera is a point of view movement in a room, and follow up in a running person, a follow up in a walking person, mainly using the viewpoint of a person looking in a camera. Camera is moving, we are feeling the moving a man, moving a hero, moving a point of view. The tied in the body is camera, fantastic. You have to move steady. But this is a shock absorber move. Better shock absorber, Steadicam. Camera shots is very steady. Then the Steadicam movement is a very smooth movement. That movement is we are feeling to point of view state. We are feeling to move point of view. That using to equipment of Steadicam. Very costly item. The type of monopod tied in the body, and the man is moving. The camera is also moving. But mainly the shock absorber is very fine. No shake. But the moving is the tracking style, the crab moving in the steps, upstairs movements, and the room to room animal movements. The viewpoint. Mainly the viewpoint of a hero or heroine as a villain. Mainly using the viewpoint. That's a perspective of a viewpoint of a hero or villain or any other character. It's called, that is using to Steadicam. We are studying dolly, trolley, and Steadicam, and camera, crane and jeep, a tripod. This is also the called supporting system, or also called mount or supporting system of a camera for shooting purpose. It's okay.